Have you ever wondered how fruits are dried? SmartMac answers your inquiries. Fruits and vegetables drying process is done in either way. The first way, which is the traditional way, is based on multi-racks ovens, where fruits are placed in trays and entered into the oven for a specific time that may differ depending on the type of the fruit to obtain the final dried product. The shape and size of these ovens can vary according to the required productive capacity, where they can range from small ovens reaching to large drying units. As for the second way, which is the modern way, it's based on a continuous drying of the fruits, where fruits are conveyed through a moving conveyor consisting of multiple layers within the drying tunnel to ensure a complete drying of the fruits. This processing line is suitable for a profitable industrial project, right? For your inquiries, don't hesitate to reach us at info@smartmac-tr.com.